Hi, Karen Joy Fritz here, and I'm walking through some of the different floor plans or business models for TinyBiz that allows you to keep the parts that you love and get rid of all the overhead. So you actually have that freedom that you got into business for in the first place. And the floor plan I want to talk about today is the Enthusiast. This is designed for someone who wants to perhaps spend afternoons in their art studio or be allowed to take their mornings and do meditation, or perhaps go for a month and do the surfing or be a ski bum or whatever it is to pursue those things that bring us alive and make our lives really worthwhile in a bigger way than a 40-hour-a-week job would allow. So generally in this case, if you're really constraining the amount of time you put in, but it is in significant chunks, right? You can say, yes, I'm going to be active in this marketing channel. It might be a social media channel, or it might be a group that meets locally at that same time so you can be there consistently. But it's just one. You're not going to put the time into having all the channels going, just the one that's going to be enjoyable and actually bring the revenue for you. And then your delivery is probably going to also be designed to fit into that time slot. So if you're teaching a class, it'll be a morning class or an afternoon class, not both. If you're doing client sessions, you'll schedule them always to be available in those same times. So here it's a matter a lot of times about holding boundaries, right? Some client comes along and says, oh, but couldn't you just do this one session at a different time? And it seems like just one session would be easy, except once you make the exception, then you start to fragment your calendar and you don't have those blocks that your creativity requires or to get to the nature areas where you want to be. So here's how you work around that. You use an automated scheduling tool because it won't break the boundaries, right? You can schedule a client on any of the slots that you can find through this tool. Here's the link and I will meet you there. So that's one of the ways that using your technology wisely really empowers your ability to hold your ground in your tiny biz so it fits into the rest of your lifestyle. I hope you'll be able to come and join us in the TinyBiz Village. We'd love to hear how you're making it work for you, and we'd love to share other ideas that we have. See you there.